I get in trouble.
I understand.
So you said nothing on you, right?
Yes, there might be a vape in my pocket. It should be downstairs.
Okay, I'm not worried. Like
They
any
confirm it.
needles, no weapons, nothing.
They confirm it.
Those are my, what's that?
They confirm it.
I don't think so.
Okay. Just
Confirm what?
Okay.
The warrant?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
There's a process that they have to go through.
So you're arresting me before you've confirmed it?
No, we know you have a warrant. It's a legal process.
Well, he just said the opposite. Anyway,
Okay.
just check me, dude.
Okay.
Let's just get this shit over with.
Okay. Hey, sir.
What?
Hey, hi. Is James home?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, are you gonna tell him to come out and talk to us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next.
Hi, puppy.
Next.
Did you tell him we have contact?
Dad came to the door. He said he believes he's home. You want to watch the backside just in case?
Yeah, please. Hey, James.
Hello?
Hey, good. How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing okay. What's
Hey, my name's Officer Delancey. This is my partner, Officer Wilson.
So we would just talk to you for a minute. There was an incident last week. Some juveniles said they think your car involved some kind of road rage incident, something like that.
Is there any other advice or knowledge about the incident you could provide for me this time?
What do you mean?
Is there anything about the complaint that you can provide for me other than what you just said?
As far as
What information do you want?
Can you elaborate upon what you just said?
yeah, so there's a road rage incident and then that led to an alleged assault at the time.
Interesting. I'm not familiar. I have nothing further to say to either one of you, though.
Okay. So can you come out and talk to us for a minute?
No.
Okay. So
Here,
right now,
really
come out and
quick.
talk to us.
Here, really quick. You're under arrest. You have a warrant for your arrest. You have a warrant for your
I
arrest.
still have a warrant for my arrest.
You have a warrant for OVI.
I have a warrant for what?
OVI.
You're to appear in your OVI.
Let's step away from the house.
Alright, you got him on the top of that.
Yep.
Hello.
There's your
What's that?
nothing.
Yep. So it looks like at one point, man, you were charged for OVI and you had a court date and you failed
Go
to
and stop
appear.
right here for me.
I have. So what's? Yeah, my attorney actually called me David Johnson,
Okay.
and
Just give us a second,
told me
okay?
that neither one of us were notified by Delaware court.
Okay. Listen, give us a second, okay? Once this officer is done here, he has some rights that he has to advise you of, okay?
So right now, you are placed under arrest for that warrant, okay? It is out of an OVI for failure to appear. Okay?
I understand.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court.
I understand.
You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be presented to you and can be presented to you by the courts. You do have the right to have that attorney present during any questioning.
I
If you
understand.
choose to talk to us, to answer any questions, you have the right to refuse that anytime you stop asking or answering questions. You understand all that?
I do.
Okay.
So anyway, I could get shoes. It's
Yeah, we'll
Not
have
gonna lie,
we'll have your dad get shoes for you. So, what happened with that road rage thing?
you can speak with my attorney. I'm not familiar with that.
Okay, because they give a pretty good description of your vehicle as well, and they got video for us.
Sure.
Okay.
So you're arresting me for an OVI.
For a warrant, for a failed to appear on an OVI charge.
A warrant for an OVI.
Yep.
Correct.
So moving forward, how do I get out of jail for an OVI?
So, what you need to do is you need to appear to your court date. It doesn't matter if it's an OVI.
Moving forward from this exact moment, how do I get out of cuffs for
So
this
you'll be
OVI?
taken to jail.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure,
Once
yeah.
you're, once
Right.
you're at jail, you'll have your arraignment with the judge. We don't
Okay.
know what's going to happen then and there. It's up to the judge.
So
or
I'm
the
booked
magistrate.
to Jackson Pike tonight.
No, Delaware County.
Delaware County.
Can I bond out tonight from Delaware County?
You'll probably see a judge tomorrow morning.
Yep.
So I gotta stay in Delaware County overnight.
Correct.
Yeah. Sanchez, you have gloves with you.
You need them.
Yeah.
I don't have anything in my pockets.
Okay, that's fine.
There we go.
I'm not gonna run, bro.
No, you're fine.
No, I'm letting you know.
Okay.
dude.
We just gotta keep holding in case you
No,
whatever
I
trip
understand.
and fall or
I
something like
understand.
that.
No,
You know what I mean?
I'm like, no, dude. You know where I live. Come on, we're not playing games here.
I don't care about you running.
It's not gonna happen.
The problem, like he said, is if you fall because you're in handcuffs, that's on me. So I have to hold you. Because if you fall and you
yeah,
bust
I
your
get it, I get
face, then I get in trouble.
I understand.
So you said nothing on you, right?
Yes, there might be a vape in my pocket. It should
Okay.
be downstairs.
Okay, I'm not worried. Like
They
any
confirm it.
needles, no weapons, nothing.
They confirm it.
Absolutely
Those are my,
not.
what's that?
They confirm it.
I don't think so.
Okay. Just
Confirm what?
Okay.
The warrant?
Wait. Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
There's
search
a
real quick,
process that they have to go
So,
through.
so you're arresting me before you've confirmed
Okay?
it?
No, we
Nope.
know you have a warrant. It's a legal
Well,
process.
he
We
just
have to
said
go
the
through.
opposite. Anyway,
Okay.
just check me, dude.
Okay.
Let's just get this shit over with.
Okay.
Sorry, I was just stepping water for you.
Oh, you're good, man.
So I have to use the restroom. What's the protocol on that? There's a restroom right in there. You guys able to watch me take a piss?
No.
So I have to hold her piss myself for the next 4 fucking hours.
It won't be 4 hours.
Dude, I've been arrested before. It takes 4 hours to book me.
It'll be pretty quick. From here, you'll just go to jail. We don't need to take you back to our station.
So where's? I've been to Jackson Pike. I haven't been to.
Delaware.
Probably about 20 minutes away.
Yeah, it's in Delaware City.
How is it compared to Pike?
It's a jail.
You know what I'm asking, bro. Come on. How is it compared
It's
to
better.
Pike?
It's better.
Okay. Thank you.
You're good. It's better.
Still
Have you
good.
not been to Pike?
Oh,
Are
I've
you not
been to
familiar with
Pike.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Pike's
Been to
hell,
Pike.
dude.
You've been there before?
Yeah, I said that already.
Yeah.
We'll grab. I'll see if we can get them shoes.
Yeah.
Pike's not. Yes.
Do you know where they're at, or any shoes in specific?
Yeah, I have Dior shoes right by the Sorry, I didn't mean to twist. Right by or under the mirror by the garage door.
Okay.
I should know. God damn it. So I can argue this shit, right? Considering there's been nothing.
So these are shoes that the parents
They
gave
chose fucking Sperry's. You're not gonna tie my shoes, are you? Yeah, do you? No offense, but like, do you know how to tie shoes?
We'll
Do
tuck.
you not know how to tie shoes?
I'm in cups. I can't tie shoes, bro.
We'll tuck them in. We'll tuck
Yeah.
in the laces. You can argue whatever you want. We don't care.
I know you don't care. That's the issue. You just you
Yeah.
see a name
Here,
on the list.
I'll tuck them into the actual shoe. Okay.
That's.
That way you're not tripping on them.
I mean, you could just tie them if you're doing all this effort, bro.
Well, I'm not gonna tie them. Being
Yes.
kicked in the face.
Okay. Well, that's assault on the office here, and that's what 5 years.
That's exactly why I'm trying to avoid that.
Okay, well, I'm too pretty for jail, let alone prison. Anyways, all right. What else can we do to move this forward?
All right.
Yeah. What's your third buddy doing?
He's just talking to your parents. Let them know what's going on.
I'd rather wait until he's done talking to my parents. Can I at least say bye to my parents and my girlfriend?
That's up to this officer.
No, let's go. Come on. We got things we need to do. If you gotta use the bathroom, then the last thing we want is to stall this.
Can we bump up the heat when you get a second? I swear to God, every time we get fucking arrested in the fucking winter.
I don't know. These jackets, I'm off.
I can't move my arms
Yeah,
anymore.
that's fine.
Watch your knee.
Combs said it's Marissa's OVI.
Marissa's OVI.
Yeah.
It just shows that it's pretty.
Hello. So we had a warrant out for his arrest, okay? He had a court date for driving under the influence that he failed to show up for, okay? So that's why we're here, taking him into custody, okay? You have any questions for me?
I mean, my understanding was that nobody told him about his most recent court date, including his attorney.
Well, that's something that's going to have to get taken into account whenever he talks to his attorney or sees a judge next. But he does have an active warrant out for his arrest right now. Okay.
And who are you?
We're Genoa Township Police Department.
Okay.
It's where the warrant's out of. So,
Okay. Where are you taking him?
to the Delaware County Jail.
Delaware County Jail.
Correct. Yes. Do you know if he has like shoes or anything that he would want to bring, or because he's in his socks right now?
I'm sure he does.
Okay.
Let me see if I can find some.
Okay.
Moving forward from this exact moment, how do I get out of the cuffs?
So you'll be taken to jail. Okay. Once you're at jail, you'll have your arraignment.
Hello? Huh?
You guys never work during the day, do you?
Yes, that's, we just got on, third shift just got on, so.
I know, and for some reason we're the ones that you guys are the ones that always come.
Yeah, typically when we get on, we check to see if there's any active warrants out that are close by, and we'll go try to pick them up,
That's what I'm
so.
saying, the daytime guys don't do that?
Daytime guys are mostly busier with actual calls for service. At night kind of slows down so we can grab these a little more often.
Well, let me grab your shoes.
Okay. So I'll go double check on the warrant to see what his bond is. I believe at the sheriff's office now you can bond out there. You should be able to pay. I think it's like a $2,500 bond or something, but it's only 10% of that.
Please let us know, because he hasn't been notified that he had another hearing. So now he's being arrested for a hearing he didn't know about.
Okay. Yeah, that's what he was saying. It sounds like there might have been some confusion. All it shows for
Yes.
us, because we don't do anything with the court side of things, once something gets put to like the court, that's all through them. The only thing that we see is there's an active arrest warrant for somebody, and our job is just to pick them up and take them before a judge, which is what the warrant says. It's just
I
take
get all
somebody to
that, but
custody, bring them before the judge.
It's hard to show up for court when you don't know there's court.
I understand, and that's something that I would definitely bring up. It sounds like he has an attorney. Absolutely, if that's something, I would bring that up with him.
So where are you
But,
taking him to?
they're just confirming the warrant once, because the dispatch just has to send a hit confirmation for the warrant. Once that's confirmed, he's going to be transported to the Delaware County Jail.
Okay, I have no idea where that is.
Do you know where
the
Delaware
little
City
one over
is?
there?
You know where Delaware City is up north?
Yeah.
Down, no, Dallas.
Yes, it's just like outside. It's technically in Delaware City, but it's up there. I can give you guys the exact address once we
Okay.
confirm with that. So
He needs a pair of shoes.
I got some.
Perfect.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
so once that's confirmed and we take him, I'll get you guys the address. But he should be able to bond out tonight, I would assume. If not tonight, then early tomorrow morning. So.
Yeah, we've heard about the whole bonding thing, and it never happens the way you guys tell us.
Yeah, so with us, we get very limited information. So a lot of the times it's very confusing because people think like all law enforcement has like the same jobs. So like the sheriff's office in Delaware County, they're in charge of like court services, protection orders, like the jail, bonds. We have nothing to do with that. It only shows us like what the bond amount is or if there is a bond. But they're constantly changing like when people's arraignments are or how to bond out. So we only go based off of like the most updated information we have.
I get it. I'm not
So-
upset with you.
Yeah,
I'm
I
upset
understand,
with
so.
the justice system.
Sure, and I understand. It sounds like
I've
there's
had
a lot
a very
of.
negative experience with police
Sure.
and the whole
Okay.
system.
I'm sorry to hear that,
It's
so.
not you.
Right.
It's, and so it's just very frustrating.
Okay. Yeah, so I'll go double check with them, and then I'll come back and just you guys just help me to knock on the door with the.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll get you guys the address there and see if I can find any more information about if he's able to bond out tonight or not. Okay.
All right.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
I have a question. Why is he being arrested?
He has a warrant out for his arrest.
Okay, well, why did the conversation start out about something else besides?
There was another altercation that somebody in this. I was not on this call. This was a separate call that one of the other officers had. There was a report of an assault. It sounds like it stemmed out of a road rage, as far as I was told. They stated it was this vehicle that he was driving in a male that matches his description.
So was he being arrested for that? Or
No.
was he being arrested for something
No,
else?
he was being questioned about that initially because that was another call for service that we were trying to identify if he was involved. Obviously, he said he didn't want to talk to us about it. So that's like there's no charges from that stemming from that. That's not why he was arrested today. He was arrested for his warrant today. It was just by happen chance there was another altercation that we got called to, I guess, within the past week, supposedly involving him. But again, I have very limited information because I was not working that day, so I really don't know other than.
Yeah, I'm just trying to understand what's going on.
Yeah,
I'm coming in halfway.
Yeah, initially there's another officer who took that call for service, and according to the witnesses and the other people involved in that, pointed out this vehicle and then the person matching his description. Again, I don't know the circumstances behind what it was. It just sounds like it was a road rage that may have turned into some type of assault. So that's why he was being questioned about that, but it sounds like we don't have enough to charge him based off of that. But again, it's not my call for service, so I don't know where that specific
Okay. I'm just trying to understand
Yeah,
what's going
absolutely.
on. He was
Yeah, for
questioned
sure.
about that, and then
Correct.
when he said, I don't know anything about it, oh, you're under arrest. Okay,
Correct.
so why are you arresting him? Okay, so I'm
Correct,
just trying
yes.
to understand
Yeah,
what's going
absolutely.
on. Can
Yep.
you imagine my confusion?
Oh, absolutely. Yep,
Do you understand
100%.
why I'm a little hesitant? Why I'm a
100%.
little distrustful?
100%.
Because
yep.
you guys go about this in a really sneaky way. Don't tell me you don't, because you did. You asked about one thing, you arrested him for something
Well, we were here for two purposes. So I
Well,
mean,
see, you should have told him that from the beginning.
well, initially, if our interaction, so like it's hard to explain because there's specific ways we do things in law enforcement.
No.
Yeah. So whenever we want to question somebody, it's not.
Yeah, I get it. Do you
Sure.
understand? I'm trying.
I
to
understand
point out
how
that
from your point of
you're
view,
not
it would
doing
seem-
this in a real kosher way.
Okay, and I'm
I
sorry
don't
that you feel that.
appreciate that.
Okay, I'm sorry you feel that way. I've tried to answer all your questions to the best
You
of my
have-
ability.
You have.
So, just before we take off, was she able to get him his
I have no
stuff?
idea.
Or?
You'll have to ask him. What? Did you?
The phone in his wallet? Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now you were going to give me some sort of an address or something.
I am. I have a business card here with the address on it. So it's 844 US 42 North, and that's in Delaware City. Okay.
Okay.
Just since his girlfriend was one that handed me his phone and wallet, what's her name? I just have to log that.
Haley is what her first
Haley.
Her name is
Okay.
Haley.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
So when did you get him?
So right now we've double checked on the warrant. So it looks like the warrant was not for his initial arraignment. It seems like he went to his initial arraignment for whatever this
yes,
was.
I was with him.
Sure. So the warrant, when we looked more into it, it was put out by the Delaware County Sheriff's Office because he failed to appear for a change of plea hearing, which is where I'm assuming he was pleading guilty to something, which is typically where it comes from.
We never got anything in the
Sure.
mail.
So I would, and again, like I told you, we have nothing to do with court dates or anything like that. So this is something that you guys need to talk to his attorney about, or tell him to talk to his attorney about. But since he does have a bond, he's going to get transported to the Delaware County Jail.
Okay.
He has his phone, so he can make a phone call.
Okay.
He has his wallet. He just asked that somebody pay him $314, which is when I looked on our sheet, which that's the only information we get. Is it's a $2,500 bond, which is you pay 10% of that, which is $250, and there's a $64 state fee attached to that. So $314, supposedly, to the best of our knowledge, is what it will take to have him bonded out tonight.
And what does bonded out tonight mean?
So he would go to jail. He's going to get booked in. He's going to be given a new court date. He would pay this money. They're going to take the warrant out of the system. And then he just has to show up for whatever new court date they assign him at the jail.
Okay, so tonight.
Tonight.
Do I expect a phone call? Do I have to wait till I get a phone call from him to go pick him? I mean, how does that all work? Because I'm sure you're not going to bring him home.
So we would not be bringing him home. It just depends on how busy the jail is and how quickly they can process him through. If they're not busy, typically they start the processing paperwork and the bond paperwork at the same time, and it should only take about an hour. But again, I have no idea how busy they are or how long that process could take. He does have his phone, so I mean, if it's about a 35-minute drive up there. So worst case, if he gets bonded out, he can just sit in the lobby for 30 minutes until somebody picks him up. But that's that's the most accurate information I can give you guys. It really depends.
He's got his wallet. Can he pay his bond?
Yeah, so they should have a terminal there where they just accept payment right there, and he should be able to bond out and start the paperwork at the same time as his processing paperwork. He shouldn't have to sit there too long unless they're slammed busy, which I don't know. I don't work in the jail, so I don't know how busy they are. It fluctuates. I would assume at 10:30 on a Wednesday night they're probably not slammed busy right now. But it just depends. But worst case scenario, you could just wait for a phone call from him. He'll call you and be like, hey, I'm ready to be picked up. And he waits in the lobby until you guys get there.
I appreciate you answering all my questions.
Absolutely.
And putting up with all my frustration.
That's okay. I understand why it would be frustrating.
Well, I don't think you do, but I appreciate you saying that you're trying to.
Okay. Is there anything else that I can answer for you guys now while I'm here?
I don't think so.
Okay, there is a phone number on the back of that card. It's the non-emergency number. You can just call that and ask to speak with Officer Wilson if you have any questions about anything, and I will do my very best to answer those.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. All right. You guys have a good night. Okay.
Law enforcement handled this arrest professionally and by the book. Officers were transparent about the warrant from the start, properly Mirandized James on scene, kept the road rage investigation completely separate from the warrant arrest, and then went above and beyond, patiently explaining the bond process, court procedures, and next steps to a frustrated family for an extended period. That level of community engagement isn't required, but it's exactly what builds public trust. James, to his credit, cooperated once cuffed and was largely respectful throughout. His best argument that he wasn't properly notified of his court date is not frivolous. Courts do sometimes fail to properly notify defendants, particularly when attorneys drop the ball or addresses change. That's a legitimate issue his attorney should raise at arraignment, and it could result in the warrant being recalled if the court finds proper notice was never given. But here's what James and every viewer needs to understand. A warrant is a judicial order. Officers had no legal authority to ignore it based on his explanation, no matter how credible it sounded. Their obligation was to arrest and transport. Full stop. The courtroom is where that argument belongs, not a doorstep at night. The moment he chose to engage officers rather than immediately requesting counsel and staying silent, he risked complicating his position. His instinct to invoke silence regarding the road rage was correct. The failure was not applying that same discipline consistently. The bigger lesson here is simple. Show up to court. Missing a hearing, even one you claim you didn't know about, triggers a legal chain reaction that removes control from your hands entirely. What could have been resolved at a courthouse desk became an arrest at his front door.
I'm so sorry.
So what's going on today, brother?
I'm so sorry.
What's going on?
Y'all gonna have to talk to my daughter. I can't do this.
Okay, where's your daughter
I
at?
can't do this. She's in her room.
Okay, where's the room at? I ain't
To
never
the
been
left,
in the
I'm
house.
sorry.
Okay.
I can't do this.
Just this room right here? This room right here, boss?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hi. I'm Officer Childress. So what's going on?
My mom's just really drunk. She's feeling.
Okay.
She
You want?
scratched my face really bad.
Okay, come out here in the light where I can see you. We'll step right over here, okay? Okay. Yeah, you got a pretty good scratch going on there. You want me to get checked out? Have them clean it up for you?
That's okay.
Okay, so what caused this tonight?
I don't really know. Whenever I got home, she was just kind of screaming and mad at my dad. And then she just kind of got mad at me. And I don't know what I did, but she kept saying, I know what I did. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you look to your right. Keep your eye open. You can close it. I'm going to try to take a picture, okay? You got any other marks? She grabbed you at your arms at all, anywhere, anything like that?
No.
That's the only thing. You just think she scratched you with her fingernail, maybe?
Mhm. She scratched me before, like right here. That's where she grabbed me once.
That was a while back.
Yeah, like a week or so.
Okay. Okay. How old are you?
14.
14. Okay. You want to put a pair of shoes on real quick? Just think that way if you come out on the porch, I'm going to step out here real quick and talk to my sergeant real quick, okay?
She done smacked her glasses off her face. She's got a big old scratch on the side of her face from where she smacked them off. I've got scratches all over my hand from a few days ago.
Okay, so these aren't today.
No,
No,
that one's
sir.
fresh.
They're
That's
2
fresh,
days ago.
right? Like,
My daughter has pictures on her phone of where my wife has
I'm
attacked
gonna go
me.
try to help him locate.
okay, I'm going
I
to work
don't
on
wanna
this.
do- This is not right. This is
No,
not right.
I mean, no. They're gonna go try to locate her.
Go that way.
She went that way, yes, sir.
Okay. She goes to the bowling alley a lot, doesn't she?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Roger, she goes to the bowling alley a lot.
I didn't do this unless my daughter wanted me to.
Yeah, dude, I know. So here's what I'm gonna do. You wanna put a pair of shoes on for me? And grab your wallet, so you got your ID, and I've got your daughter's gonna come out here to my car as well, so we can get the papers filled out, okay?
This ain't right, man.
So he's gonna grab some shoes, and you guys can come out to my car, okay? CD13, if you've got a 28, if you want to try to put that plate into flock so we can get an eye on it if it tries to go anywhere. All right, so are you guys willing to give me statements and everything?
What do we have to do to make her happier with us?
Well, I mean, at this point, I mean, it's a domestic situation with marks and stuff, so the state's gonna take over either way.
It's always our fault.
But I'm giving you an opportunity, if you're willing to give me a written statement as well to go along with it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're willing to do that?
Yes.
Okay.
I have video as well.
You have video as well?
Of her beating on the door.
Okay. And that's from tonight?
Yes.
Okay. You think you email that to me? My email's right down here at the bottom whenever you get a chance. We don't have to do it right now. So that way I've got that to add in as well, okay?
I have several. It's
Okay, any of the ones pertaining to tonight's event?
you got a black eye and everything. But she tells us she's gonna call the law every time.
Yeah, I know. She likes to call us too. So I've got 2 statements, okay? So I have you can write yours, so name, date of birth, address, good phone number for you. You just write yours like you're telling a story, okay?
Yes,
And then you'll sign right here. And then for hers, you write at the top, be like, I, the parent of, and put her name and everything. She can still put her name, date of birth, and address. You don't have to put her phone number down. I am the parent of, assisting her with writing this statement, okay? And then from there, she can write, or you can write it for her, write this statement out, and then have her sign at the bottom, okay? I mean, this is the best way to get this taken care of, because, I mean, either way, with marks like that, the state's going to take over. I'm going to do it, but I give everybody an option.
I love your mom, you know that. I don't want this.
But no matter the circumstance or situation, it does not make any of this okay, ever.
She's a good woman, no.
And she does have her good days. Me and her, I pulled up here and she's laid me down and talked to me, and you know, we've talked and stuff. She can be a very, very good person, but it's the drinking that's the problem, for sure. So if you guys want to, you start.
Okay, honey?
You okay with writing one of these?
Yeah.
Okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
We'll go ahead and get this wrote out, okay? And I'm not leaving. I'm gonna stay here until everything's done and over with, okay? I'm gonna get everything added in the computer and stuff like that, and then we'll go from there, okay? My guys are looking to try and find her right now. That way she doesn't hurt somebody. So there's one for you and one for her. I don't have any extra pens, or else I'd give you an extra pen, but
Sir, I'm
out.
sorry, I'm not trying to be over dramatic.
I understand. No, it's a big situation.
My wife unconditionally. It's really hard for me to agree with this after 17 years.
I know.
No matter what she does, I want the best for her.
I understand.
I don't care how bad I look.
And this may be the first step to getting her the help she needs. You know what I mean?
I know it's hard just for me to realize. I don't think that she needs that help, you know? I think she's a good woman because I love her.
Yeah.
I couldn't get no better than her. She's beautiful.
City 13, I've added the male reporting party to the state returns. The victim is going to be 14-year-old daughter.
I think I remember you one time coming over and...
Yeah, I did fields with you out here, and I was like, you're good to be driving.
No, it's just... I'd do anything to take the blame for her, man. I really would. I would do anything. I'd sacrifice my life.
I know, man, but there comes a point, you know, especially in this situation with getting the kids involved and stuff. It changes things.
That chat GPT is, I was talking to Ed about the situation that was going on while I was filming. It was telling me what I should be doing with my daughter.
And you don't have like Life 360 or anything with her that tracks her location or anything? Okay. I always like to ask because you never know who's got it and stuff, and that comes in handy sometimes. And you don't have any marks on you.
Other than these that happened a couple of days ago. Videos and what my daughter's taking.
Okay.
She's taking pictures for me to prove documentation.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna worry about today's thing real quick. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go and look for her, see if we can locate her. If she comes back, call us. Okay. That way we can do the rest of what we have to do. I think that's probably going to be our best option.
She's a very good woman.
No, I know, and I know she's not going to cause us any issues, but I mean, with what we've got here and everything, you know, it's not something that is taken lightly by the state. So we'll see if we locate her. If she comes back, just call us. Don't say that you called us. Like, as soon as she pulls up, just call us. Say, hey, she's back at the house. We'll come up, but we're going to try and locate her, and that way we can deal with it.
The wife returned home shortly thereafter.
Hi.
How's it going?
It's going.
What's going on tonight?
Not too much.
Not too much.
Yeah.
Well, that's not what we've been told.
Okay.
So we got a call earlier. Did you and your daughter get into it?
No, my daughter has been in trouble. Yes, she lost her phone.
Okay. So you guys didn't get into a fight or anything?
No.
So what was your guys' argument about? Because you guys got in an argument. We were here earlier.
She lost her phone, yeah.
Okay. So you guys just were arguing about her losing her phone?
Yeah, she got in trouble and lost her phone. She was back talking, being rude.
Okay. How'd she get the mark on her eye?
I have no clue. I wasn't here for that.
Well, we were here right after you left and it was there, so it had to have happened sometime. Pretty quick.
Well, it wasn't from me.
Okay. Well, she's claiming it is.
Okay. I haven't got to speak with my daughter since I've been home.
Well, you're probably not going to because you're going to be under arrest for domestic violence. Okay?
Please don't do this. Let me talk to my daughter.
No. Come here.
Okay. I did not. Yes, sir.
Have you been drinking today?
No.
Are you sure? Because I
Yeah.
can smell it. So you want to try again?
No, sir.
All right. Well, I mean, you were in your car, so you're not getting a DUI, even though I saw you park it. So, I mean, I saw the lights on it. So, but this is, I mean, they gave us statements. I'll be
My
honest with
daughter?
you. Yep. That
My
you-
daughter.
That you hit her. And she's got, I mean, it's a giant scratch on her face.
On my daughter?
Yes. That's why you're going to jail tonight.
Okay, can I please speak with my daughter?
I can go ask them if she
Yes,
wants to talk
yes,
to you,
please,
but no.
Please.
It's police department.
Honey, tell them this is not right, please. Honey.
You gotta talk to your daughter.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. Sister!
You're not going to stand out here and yell. No, don't come up
I'm
here.
sorry. I'm not stepping up. Daughter!
You are stepping up. I just watched you do
I
it.
didn't mean like that, sir.
I don't know if you want to go in and try to get her, boss. Because I tried knocking, but I don't know if she
Ask her
does.
what's going on.
And will you grab her some shoes?
Yes, sir.
Please, Timmy.
Well, it's not up to them at this point.
No, sir. My daughter. I'm sorry. that
Well,
she
it's not up to your daughter either at this point. She's asking to talk to you. Do you want to talk to her? Okay. You don't have to. I just told her I would come ask. Okay. So here's the deal. She's going to jail because she's got injuries. So it doesn't, I mean, you guys don't have a say in it anymore, okay? Even if you change your mind, it's up to you, the state's attorney. See a judge tomorrow, and then she'll have a 72-hour no contact order, okay? So if she's calling, texting, call us because she can't do that, okay? All right.
Okay, honey.
Does she have shoes that you want to send with her that are hers? Do you guys have any other questions or anything for us? No?
I don't know. I just don't know.
Okay. Like I said, when we see an injury and we get a call, the state takes over at that point, okay? Like that's very clearly a fresh new injury. She's claiming she doesn't know anything about it. She's saying she hadn't had anything to drink. I can smell it on her. You know, she's lucky that she got out of the car and was standing on the porch when I saw her. Because if she'd have gotten in the car, if I would have seen her in the car still, she'd have a DUI as well.
Was she here?
She was standing on the porch when I drove by.
She was screaming at Aiden on the phone to go open the door, and she was cussing at him.
Yeah, and there was also, she was drinking too because there was an alcohol bottle.
Like I said, I can smell it.
Oh,
I can smell it. So I wondered because she was standing out there and it looked like you guys weren't letting her in. But then as soon as I got out of the car, she got in. So did you unlock it for her? You're not in any trouble. I don't care if your mom's.
I went for a run, talking to my
If your
brother.
mom's yelling at you, you're gonna open the door. I know I would. So.
Scared and I did.
Yeah. Okay. You're not in any trouble. That's okay. All right. Well, like I said, she'll be going with us, and then she'll see a judge tomorrow. Okay. Well, I mean, maybe this will just be the wake up call to get her to stop doing this. You know what I'm saying? I mean, something's got to give. If the drinking leads to this kind of action, it can't be allowed. Okay?
Well, it's been
That is
more
a
than
giant
this, but
iguana.
We love her to death.
Have a good night or a better night anyways, okay? What? You can if you want. You don't have to.
Honey, please. Are you kidding me? I want to. Can I talk to my
She does
daughter,
not want to
please?
talk to you.
Can I please talk to my daughter?
She doesn't want to talk to
Are
you.
you kidding me?
We love you.
Honey, give me a hug,
Both
please.
need change. I need change for you.
Okay, give me a hug.
Stay down here. He can come down here. He can come down here if he wants to.
Come here, give me a hug, honey, please. Please,
Yeah, you can give her a hug if you want to.
honey. I'm really sorry. Please,
You didn't do anything wrong, honey. This isn't you. You did
Please.
not do anything wrong.
honey.
Well, she did. That's why she's going to
I
jail.
did not do anything wrong.
That's baby.
I have not touched my child. Why would you say that?
It's not me that said this, honey.
Are you kidding me? After everything I have
We
been
love
through.
you.
All right, that's enough.
Okay.
Let's
That's
go.
okay. All
Love
right.
you, honey.
Yes, sir.
I'm here.
Yes, sir.
Get in the car, Tracy. This has nothing to do with them. When we see an injury,
That's okay.
when we see an injury, the state takes over. Watch your head as you go in.
Yes, sir.
No, she was beyond toast. Oh yeah, she's saying she's not, but I can smell it. The little boy.
If you've seen her drive up, that's
I didn't. The lights were on, and so I thought she was sitting in it. And right as I got level with it, the lights shut off, and she was standing at the door. Yeah, and they had her locked out, but I guess she was on the phone screaming at the little boy, cussing him out to let her in. And I was like, well, as long as they keep her locked out, I can get to her. And right as I parked, she walked in, and I was like, she's not coming back out. She walked right back out to talk to me. I was like, all right.
It's gonna be hard to articulate that one.
Yeah, no, unless you see her driving, you're not going to get a conviction on it. So Josh won't go on it for sure. I mean, let her talk. Just record everything.
Officers handled this call with both professionalism and genuine compassion. Childress navigated an emotionally loaded scene: a heartbroken husband defending his wife, a frightened teenage daughter, and an intoxicated suspect in denial, without ever losing control of the situation. The methodical approach of photographing injuries, collecting written statements, pursuing the suspect, and clearly explaining the no-contact order to the family reflects exactly how domestic calls should be handled. What the suspect did wrong goes far beyond the physical act itself. She struck a 14-year-old child across the face hard enough to knock off her glasses and leave a visible scratch. She drove home drunk. She lied to an officer's face about drinking. And then, while being placed under arrest in front of her own family, she attempted to get her injured daughter to publicly defend her. Every one of those decisions compounded her legal exposure. The most sobering element of this video isn't the arrest itself. It's the husband. A man who clearly loves his wife deeply, has watched her drink damage their family, and still stood on that porch defending her to police. He said it himself, "I'd do anything to take the blame." That impulse is understandable, but it is also exactly how domestic violence cycles continue for years. The officer said it plainly. This may be the first step to getting her the help she needs. That framing matters. An arrest in a domestic violence case involving a minor is not the end of a family. It can be the intervention that forces accountability before something far worse happens. Viewers watching this should understand that protecting someone from consequences is not the same as protecting them. Sometimes the most loving thing a family can do is let the system do its job.
What's going on?
So I'm staying here at the T-Bird Motor Inn. My ex-boyfriend was living with his parents over at the Quality Inn. He contacted me, knew I was here, and I'm not supposed to have any guests there, so I didn't call the police earlier because I can't get down to there at these guys.
Right.
So, at like 11 o'clock last night, he was like, either you're letting me in or I'm going to cause a scene. So I was like, okay, I'll let you in because I can't lose this spot for the kids.
Yeah.
So I let him in. It's probably going to be too much information, but I woke up at like 3:30 to him masturbating in the bed. And I woke up and I was upset and I was like, can you not do that? That's really disrespectful.
Yeah.
And I kept crying. And he said because I kept crying, he punched me in my back 3 times. I'm not sure if you could see any marks or not, but it was my whole spine.
All right.
And then he took my phone. I was able to wrestle my phone back from him, but as I ran into the bathroom with my phone and the kids, and he took my shoes, my phone cord, the $1 I have in change, and my lighter.
Okay.
So I walked to the Quality Inn.
Yeah.
That way I could have shoes on my feet.
Right.
I walked there because that's where his parents live, and I was like, I need my stuff. I knocked on the door and everything. He threw all the stuff at me, which was good. And I was like, can I have a key to the room? Because I couldn't find it when he left. So I assumed he took it because, took everything else already. So then I walked down to the Quality Inn. I was at the door. His dad told me to get the out of here or he's going to me, backed me into the corner. And then his dad said, walk that downstairs. Me and him argued, and then he punched me in the hallway. And
Who punched you in the hallway? Your boyfriend?
my ex-boyfriend,
Okay.
yeah. And then it snapped my glasses and busted up my face a good number.
Okay.
Then I walked this way because I just wanted to get away from him.
Yeah.
I tried to call 911, but he followed me, so I kept hanging up. So that way he didn't know I was calling the police.
Yeah.
And we have a protection order out of New Hampshire.
Right.
So I just don't know what to do. I just called you guys. I just can't get kicked out of here.
Right.
I have these two. And his dad is saying that he's going to call them to get me kicked out. And
All right.
whatever the worst day of my life.
Yeah.
No, sorry.
I'm sorry you're going through this.
Buddy, no.
Do you want
Let me
rescue?
use that cord? No, I mean, it should be okay. I don't think it
Okay.
needs stitches.
All right.
It bled a little bit, but I stopped at Dunkin' Donuts for a water, which
Yeah.
they ever so nicely gave me because I was going to
Yeah.
give them my $1.
Yeah.
And then I grabbed some napkins so that way I could.
Yeah.
It's not bleeding so much
Okay.
anymore.
All right. Do you want to go into your room and so I can grab a statement? And
Yeah, I just don't want to get kicked down for police presence.
oh, but we come here all the time and
Okay,
people
don't get kicked down. Okay. I have to
not just for me being there.
I have to get a new I have to see if they can open my door because I can't find the key.
Okay. All right.
And I don't know if anybody's there.
What room are you in?
I'm in 38.
Okay, down back.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yeah, let's try to get you into your room and.
Let me inside. Like I said, I don't know where the key is.
Yeah.
I searched the room up and down, but before
Okay.
I have a feeling Alyssa called you guys.
Yep.
Yep, we knew it.
Yeah. Is Justice around?
Yeah, I had to send him for a walk.
Okay.
I'm his father. We sent for him. He was in probation in Jersey.
Yep.
She has
found a
whole
way to
bunch of
get over
stuff.
here.
Yeah.
They have a case in Jersey. And
She's
New
not supposed to be
Hampshire.
here.
Yeah.
She's been manipulating the system for over 2 years now.
All right.
She's put him on charges, false allegations.
This is just
to
a
avoid
big, nasty
fighting
mess.
with her, he took the probation.
Yeah.
It's been a long saga, and every time he tries to stay away from her,
Yeah.
she will come from whatever state she's in.
We was in Jersey,
and
she
come
came to
here,
Jersey.
follow us.
All right.
She's followed us from New Hampshire to New York to New Jersey, and now to here that we're here to stay. He works here.
Me too.
She
Being my
came with
boss.
the
Hold on, 'cause
kids,
I
and
work
he
here and I
told
want-
her because of their altercations, they're constantly arguing and fighting. He told her, "You can't stay here.
Right.
This is my job. I have, he stays on property," and we helped her with the hotel voucher.
Yep.
She got the room in the T-Bird, and after that, she's been coming back and forth, and harassing us since.
Yeah.
She came last night in the middle of the night, left the kids in the parking lot, came upstairs banging our door down for him to go to the hotel with her.
Well, he was at the hotel before she did that.
Huh?
He was at the hotel.
She came here last night for him to go with her to the hotel. She literally in front of my daughter was like, "You have to leave with me. You can't. I'm not leaving unless you do." And then what she does is threaten us that she's going to call the police.
Yep.
And this is what she does every single time. And all we're trying to do is not be involved in her insanity. Yep. She's mentally disabled.
Yep.
She's bipolar, whatever she is, but she's manic.
Yeah.
And then she does these things, and she's constantly like causing controversy.
Yeah.
I don't know what she told you, but I'm letting you know a little bit of context.
All right. So can you get in touch with Justice? Because I need to talk to him.
Where is Justin? Didn't he go to the store?
Yeah, you sent her, but all está en eso.
Oh, he didn't go then. Okay. He didn't go. No, okay. I know where he's at. I thought he was. In my truck? Dude, you niggas need to talk to you, bro. But here. I want you to see the texts that she's been texting me. I told her to stop. Or I'll report.
Begging her
And
to
look
stop
and
harassing
see.
us.
Like, it's like, this is going.
Yeah.
Like,
Now,
this
if
is
we
ridiculous.
show
I
you
keep
other
asking her to
times
stop.
Every time she goes
Yeah,
mad,
you and Alyssa, y'all gotta fix this. I keep telling you this.
this.
Get order protection. Just
How old
like
are you?
I'm 23.
Okay. Can I talk to you over here in private? What happened last night?
So I came here to go to my parents because there's auto protections against me and I'm not supposed to be around her. So
Yeah.
I've been trying to flee from her. She follows me any state I go.
Yeah.
From New Hampshire, Jersey, here multiple times.
Yeah.
Yesterday she was knocking on the door, banging. She literally came in there and was saying that she was going to call the cops if I didn't go with her to the hotel she's staying at. So at this point, I've been in a catch-22 because I'm scared for my freedom because I'm currently on probation. I'm trying to get it transferred out here because I just told my PL I'm going over with my mom because things have been going on, and out in Jersey I was struggling financially.
Yeah.
and I can't really do nothing on the street.
Yeah.
So I came back to my parents. She followed. Yesterday, she was basically manic, pretty much threatening me with all kinds of different things that if I didn't go with her and spend the night with her, I'd get arrested.
Yeah.
And she'd call the cops and violate me for my probation. Those were her words.
Yeah.
And then it transferred into this morning as well.
So what happened last night when she did that? You went to the hotel.
I walked with her and I tried to leave. She followed again and literally called 911 and was like, I'm going to get you arrested if you don't go with me. So I did what I was scared of losing my freedom, so I went with her last night. I left around 5 in the morning because she had told me I thought she was done because she had told me she didn't want to deal with me anymore. She was done and she wanted me to leave. So I thought that was my free ticket out.
Yeah.
So I came over here and I got back to the room and not even 20 minutes later she's knocking on the door saying I stole from her.
Yeah.
Saying I took her room key, this, that, this, finding any and every excuse to make me come out with her, saying that I need to help her with the kids, this, that, this, and like I'm telling you, I have probation. I can't be around her or the kids. That's literally on the release papers they gave me when I went to court. It literally says you cannot be within 200 feet of Alyssa. I mean, it sucks that I have to stay away from my kids, but I'm trying to do this for my freedom.
How'd she get the mark on her eye and the broken glasses?
That I don't know. I know there was a moment where she was gripping up on me, and I know I shoved her arm off of me in the hallway on the way out, like right by the door.
Yeah.
And then other than that, it was mostly just me having to follow her with her threatening cops and this, that, this. And then she's saying, and then she was telling him that I hit her, a bunch of other things, saying that she's going to get me arrested if he doesn't tell me I need to go with her, and all this stuff. And I'm just like, what am I supposed to do? I'm scared of my freedom at this point.
You don't mind if I come in?
No, go ahead.
All right, and I am recording, just so you know.
That's fine. Just so you know, I did say it was a mess in here.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Nobody is there.
All right, yeah, thanks. So are the children his, or?
Yes, the children are his.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this all occurred in front of the children?
Unfortunately.
Yeah. All right. How did he find out that you were here? Have you guys been maintaining contact?
We had been talking, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Does the PRO allow for contact in regards to the children?
No, it does not.
Okay.
No, it does not. In New Hampshire, you are allowed to, unfortunately, the way their law set up, it's kind of stupid where I am allowed to contact him. Me and him had been in contact with each other because I believe the dumbass promise of, I'm going to do better.
Yeah.
It won't happen again.
Yeah. So the TRO allows you to contact him, but he
Yes.
can't contact you.
Correct.
Yeah. It's sort of the same way here.
Yeah, I
When we
don't know how Ron says.
Yeah, when we issue the restraining order,
And he
it's-
has bail orders out of Jersey.
Okay. All right.
So he's
For the same type of stuff?
Yeah.
All right.
Smashed my car windshield.
Okay. So are you here on a voucher? Or?
I am here on a voucher. That's why I was so worried about you coming in
Yeah,
here.
through economic services?
Yes.
If you want to have a seat and there's the statement form, just tell me what happened.
All right.
So I'm going to have, I asked our dispatch to reach out to our outreach team, so I'll fill them in when they call. They come on at 8:30.
Okay.
So if you get a knock on the door, it's going to be one of them. We're going to go down and try to pick Justice up, and if he runs, arrest warrant will be put out for you. I just looked up Steps Vermont. STEPS.
Yeah,
Vermont.
they said to call the hotline back. They said
Yeah.
to call my best friend and see if he'll let me stay there.
Yeah. And also reach out to Economic Services and see, I think they might be open now or at 8:30. See if they can place you somewhere else because you were just a victim of domestic violence
Well,
this
I'm only
morning.
supposed to be here for a week as like a trial run.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see
If you can't get to New Hampshire, reach out to them and get you out of
this area. Yeah. This-
because if he does
it's
run,
too walkable. Yeah.
right.
It's too walkable.
Right.
45. I think it's a 45-minute walk
Yeah.
if you run it.
have
All
that.
right. So I have your phone number, so I'll reach back out to you after everything gets said and done. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
So there's a restraining order in place, correct?
Yes.
Okay, stop. I mean,
No,
I'm sorry. You guys are talking over me. We're going to stop right now.
emotionally,
Okay,
stressed out.
So there's a restraining order in place, correct?
Yes.
He's the defendant in that restraining order, correct?
Yes.
And she keeps coming out here.
Wait, hold on.
And he spent time with her yesterday, correct?
Oh, I
This
don't know
morning?
that part.
Well, she came over here last
Correct.
night and forced him to leave with
Okay,
her.
so he left with her, correct?
He had
He's
no
in
choice.
No, he did have a choice. He's in violation of the order.
So what were we supposed to do?
Call us.
Call us. That's what I'm
Call
saying. My
911.
job too. But I got cameras. Don't worry. The cameras, like the being
So
session.
here it is. It doesn't matter if
I
there's
know.
cameras. If they
No,
left
but
together,
if she
it
came-
doesn't matter.
That's crazy.
It doesn't matter. So the defendant has no rights underneath these protection
Even
orders.
if she's the one that
Correct.
constantly
Correct.
violates the
Okay,
protection
one question.
order, that
Correct.
doesn't make
Right?
sense.
Doesn't make any sense.
Can I ask one question?
Yeah.
Can I get a protection order for my job and my?
We can trespass
Against her? Can we
can't-
do that?
Can I do that?
I cannot give you a protection order. You're not
No, no,
you're
like,
not-
if I could
we
go to
could
court and
trespass
do
her
that.
and
we could
protect
trespass her.
ourselves.
We could trespass her from this
'Cause
property. But we're gonna need to hear from the owners.
All right, so that's no problem. I got my boss. When she get in, I'm gonna talk
He's
to
the
her.
maintenance engineer.
I get that, but we got to hear from the owner or the manager of the facility.
I got you.
This time, I need you to turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Hey, Mom.
Okay. I checked them for proper fit. I'm gonna double lock them so they don't tighten up on you. Okay.
You're right. I should have called the cops. I was scared that she was gonna get me arrested.
Those feel all right? I double lock. Those feel all right on you? They're not too tight?
May I ask why I'm going?
Yep, for domestic assault and violation of your abuse prevention order.
I did an assault her though.
Okay. Well, she's claiming that you did.
She forced me to go.
Okay, I'm
with
gonna
her.
hang on to your license. You want? I'm gonna put that right back in there. I'll talk to your parents before
There isn't much you guys can do. I'm gonna get in trouble with Jersey now. This is what she wanted. She wanted me to get this to me.
Gonna have a seat. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna go back to our office. I'm gonna do some paperwork and then I'm gonna bring you to court. Okay? And you'll have to probably be in the holding area for court for a little while because unfortunately it takes a little while at court, okay? And then we'll see what goes on from there. You might get released with conditions. Part of those would probably be,
But I already have probation, so they're probably just gonna keep me, correct?
well, Vermont's a little different than New Jersey, all right? So we'll have to see what happens at that point, all right?
To her. She told me to call you guys yesterday.
All right.
Save us up.
Hang tight, I'll be right back with you.
Before all of this, you.
Hey.
But you're
Come here,
still
come here,
arrested.
come here.
I'm trying to
Come here,
protect
come
my
here.
kid.
Come here. Take a breath. Take a breath, okay? Take a breath. He's 23 years old, okay?
But she's
Still my
abusing
baby.
I get that. But there's a
Is
protection
there
order.
something
There's a
we
protection
can do to stop
There's a protection
her?
order in place.
I understand that. What
Okay.
can we do
Nothing.
to protect ourselves from her and this?
We'll get we need to hear from management here that you want to
Justin,
notice a trespass.
I
So we'll
will
get that
help.
served.
Don't worry about me.
Okay? So here's what's going to happen is we're going to bring him back to the station. We're going to process him. He'll go to court today. All right?
He's on probation.
Okay, what's he on probation for?
For her.
Okay, out
Because
of
she
New
came
Hampshire?
to our
New
house. She
Jersey.
came to
New
where
Jersey.
he was resting in Jersey.
Does he have any warrants or anything in Jersey?
No.
Okay. Does he live in Jersey?
Yes,
No,
he's
he
a
was
homeless.
living here.
Did he transfer his probation?
Let
up
me
here yet?
explain. He was living here with us since
Yeah.
January.
But they denied
He
it
was
because
dealing
he
with the case in
lived
New
in
Jersey.
Ohio.
We left New Jersey because she went to his aunt's house while he was sleeping, busted in the house, caused a big fight, stalked him, and he threw a rock at the car and busted the window because he wanted her to stop harassing his aunt's house. She called the cops. He got in trouble for that. And then he came up here while he was dealing with the case. The courts knew that he was staying with us. He was supposed to have his probation transferred here.
What is he getting charged for?
Domestic assault in violation of his abuse prevention order. So he's
Yo,
good.
She's a piece of work. God is so. I'm gonna pray for her because she's evil, and she is the one that's the aggressor. He's the victim in this. I promise you. I'm telling you from the bottom of my soul, he's the victim in this. And if you guys please do me the favor,
Like all the numbers,
look
I
into
can show
the
you
history
all the
I
checks.
want you to
of this.
understand something.
with domestic abuse, or not domestic, but with the abuse prevention orders, our hands are tied.
I completely
We have to
understand.
follow the letter
I
of those
work
abuse
for the
prevention
law,
orders.
so I
Yeah, you
understand
get
the
that, right?
dynamic.
So we've got no choice really in the matter right now. All right, we are gatherers of facts. We're going to gather all the facts. We're going to send it all up to court. Okay, and with him,
Yeah,
he'll be
and
in court today.
He will be in court today. It's going to take me an hour and a half, 2 hours to do the paperwork. I'm trying to get the charging affidavit from New Jersey, and be approved.
Baby, okay? He's having a heart attack.
Do you want an
need
ambulance?
rescue?
Do you have angina, or do you take?
He has heart issues that
Do you
he's not
take
being
pills?
treated for. And this girl causes him heart attacks every time she does this. This is not his fault. I'm promising you, this girl is insane, and she's using the law to her advantage. She's making up allegations. She's done this in the past, and she's continuing to do it. And the law is enabling her. And it's not fair because she's using the system to her advantage.
Well,
Right now, my grandkids are in danger because he is the sole caretaker. She cannot stay with those kids. That's what all of this is for, because we got her, she got into the hotel, and we are trying to keep them apart. She keeps following us, and we're trying to help her and help him to stay away from each other, and she still keeps coming. And it's like, what the hell?
Yeah. Well, unfortunately for Justice, if he had called us when she showed up, you know,
I did, but she also threatens him and scares him out of it.
So we're gonna get out of here. All right.
Yeah. That's right. Just had to get it out of the unlock stuff. All right, step right on out. And gonna go towards that green door. Just we got a bunch of turned in stolen stuff, so just watch that. All right through here. Great, come on in. Right. All right, go ahead and put that out. All right, you can go ahead and relax. Yeah, I got it down real quick. Let me just patch it down one more time. You don't have any guns, knives, hand grenades, nothing like that on here, right? Yeah, all right. Just go ahead. I know I patted you down real quick, but I just want to double check. Go ahead and turn.
There is still my wallet in that pocket.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to look through that again, make sure there's nothing in there that you should.
Can you take your shoes off real quick for me? Please.
Yeah, I'm just going to put this right out here. And that'll stay there for the duration until we go to court, and then I'll put it back in your pocket, all right?
Just turn your shoes and knock them.
All right. All right, good.
You're good.
We're good. All right. Just hang tight. If you need anything, give a holler. I'm down at the other end of the room, but I'll have the camera on, so I should be able to see you. You want a cup for water or anything?
No, thank you.
Okay. All right. Like I said, it's going to take just a little bit for me to do my paperwork, all right? Okay. So, check them for proper fit. I'm going to double lock them so they don't tighten up on you.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Good? Mm-hmm. All right.
Comfortable as comfortable can be.
Got your wallet in your pocket?
Yes.
All right. 5, please. Yeah, I'll get you up to Burlington. You'll be with me for a while unless I can talk to sheriffs into. They have sheriffs there, but sometimes they don't take over custody.
Thank you. I have a Justice Lugo, second-degree ag domestic. Did they not have quarters?
I was on my way to court. I got into Burlington, and they're like, "Oh, it's an in-service day. This is the second."
Oh, okay.
So then, of course, it took me like an hour to get in touch with a judge to get conditions. So now, unfortunately, I'm here for you guys.
You all set?
I think so.
Okay.
I've been dealing with this since 7:30. Other than that, that's fine. How's your day?
Oh, good.
Yeah.
This was one of the most legally complicated scenarios in this series, and the officer navigated it with remarkable steadiness. The situation involved a restraining order, interstate probation, competing narratives, an emotional family, and a genuine question of who the real victim was. None of that changes what the law required. Justice was the named defendant in an active protection order. He made physical contact with the protected party. She had visible injuries. The arrest was legally mandated regardless of context, history, or sympathy. But the deeper story here deserves serious attention. Justice was not a predator. By every account, including the officer's own read of the situation, he was a young man trapped in a coercive cycle with someone who had learned to weaponize the legal system. Alyssa understood that calling police on a probationer gives her enormous leverage, and she used it deliberately and repeatedly across multiple states. That is a real and documented pattern in domestic abuse dynamics. Coercive control doesn't always look like physical violence. Sometimes it looks like this: threats, manipulation, manufactured dependency, and strategic use of institutions to maintain power over a partner. What Justice and every viewer must understand is that the law cannot protect you if you won't use it. Every time he complied with her demands, instead of dialing 911, he handed her more power and buried himself deeper legally. The restraining order that felt like a trap was actually his strongest shield, but only if he activated it. One phone call the moment she appeared at that door changes everything that followed. Instead, by the time officers arrived, the facts on the ground told only one story: a man with a protection order against him, physical contact, and an injured woman. The system processed exactly what it saw. If there is one lesson from this video above all others, it is this: the law works for you only when you use it in real time. Waiting, hoping, and complying out of fear doesn't buy peace. It buys another arrest.